I'm Johnny, owner of Blaze of Grass Lawn Care here in beautiful Savannah, Georgia. And where am I heading to? I'm getting ready to go to get the Red Baron painted. Man, let me tell you, it's been a long time and I've been talking about it. I made a video about 2 years ago. Didn't know what to do. Should I wrap it? Should I paint it? You know what? Enough is enough. I'm gonna just go ahead and pull the trigger, and I'm taking it to Mako. This is my old reliable, my go-to, my A. You know, things need to be done. This is a vehicle that I take with me. It's the vehicle that I started my business with, and guys, it wasn't pulling a trailer. I used to load my push mower behind this thing and go make my money. So I am extremely attached to this vehicle. I mean, I had this vehicle when I was in the military, and the only thing that I did with this vehicle, you know, as a former first sergeant, is just drive from my house to work, park it, and then utilize a Humvee to do whatever I had to do. But this vehicle has been extremely good to me, and I call it the Red Baron. It currently have 115,000 miles and change. Never had any major issue with it. Had a little piece here and there break off, whatever the case might be. But guys, let me tell you, it's been an outstanding vehicle to the business. Never had an issue with it pulling anything. I carry two 800-900 pound mowers and all the equipment, a trailer, a 7x16 trailer that it pulls 24/7. And like I said before, never had an issue with it pulling anything, never had an issue with it, period. So I think that, you know, it's time for me to go ahead and take care of my baby. My baby took care of me, so I'm gonna take care of my baby. So we're gonna take the vehicle to Mako and have them give me a nice paint job. Now, and I'm not getting the cheapest paint job, and I'm not getting the most expensive paint job either. I'm getting the middle of the tier, where they're giving me a 3-year warranty on the UV protection. And again, it's a work vehicle, guys, so I don't want a detailed paint job. I don't want anything that I'm going to win awards from. I want my vehicle to look good, and that's what I'm aiming for. All right, guys, this is my baby, the Red Baron, and let me tell you, man, it was hard as heck. Let me show you the front first of all. The front, see what it looks like, man. And believe me, man, I try to get away with it because it was a you know, it is a lawn care vehicle, so I try to get away with putting some wax. And then, you know, I thought about, you know, just putting a vinyl coating on this, wrapping it here and wrapping it there. But the reality is, you know, this thing need to be painted, man. And you can tell, you know, look at all the rust. Yeah, it's rusting off pretty bad, man. Now they're gonna charge me a little bit extra to take this off, and I know some of you guys are saying, man, you could have put some adhesive on it or a heat gun. Man, this thing is a pain in the butt. I'd rather pay the $100, the $150, whatever the hell they want to charge me to take it off. And this I will take off myself and probably put another strip on there. But yeah, I'll let them deal with it. And let me show you real quick. This is where I try to take it off myself and it looked like crap. You know what I mean? And it, man, believe it or not, this little piece right here took me about an hour. And man, I'd rather pay, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes you gotta realize, you know, hey, you pay for what you want, right? And there you go. All right, so there it is. This is the Red Baron. And like I said before, guys, you know, Nixon, whatever the case might be, all I want, guys, is for this vehicle to look presentable. I want it to look good. But like I said before, I'm not trying to win any prizes. So yeah, this is my 2006 Nissan Titan. And yeah, well, hopefully when I pick it up, not hopefully, believe me, anything that they do to it will be greatly appreciated. So you guys know, for those who are inquiring, I'm getting the middle tier job, which is a $5.99. I think it's either $5.99 or $6.99. No, I think I'm getting the $6.99 tier, where they're giving me 3-year UV protection. And yes, it is something that I will need. Again, you know, you can tell what it looks like. But yeah, All right, don't want to prolong this video, guys. I just want to show you what I'm up to and doing this during the wintertime when things are slow. And maybe this time what I'm going to do is, well, I'll show you. I'm not too sure if I'm going to put the sticker back on the side like this or come up with something new. But then, you know, keep in mind, whatever I do, I'll have to do the other one the same way. Okay? So, all right. Have a great one, guys. Have a blessed one. See you in the next video. Pop Smoke. Peace.